Imagine you buy a critical ingredient from one supplier in a region where regulatory inspections are on the rise. Your AI risk model watches three things at once: your internal quality data, FDA inspection databases, and local news. One Tuesday morning, it flags that supplier, not because of one big event, but because two small signals combined. Negative news sentiment in that region jumped 40%, and your supplier's corrective action closure time crept up over 2 months. Neither signal alone would have triggered an alert. Together, they pushed the supplier into your high-risk tier. Automatically, the system ordered more safety stock, pinged your sourcing team to qualify a backup, and scheduled an urgent audit. 2 weeks later, that supplier got an FDA warning letter. You were already prepared. That's predictive risk management, spotting the tremor before the earthquake.